Press and hold the power button to turn the QooCam on. Before using the QooCam for the first time, please make sure you have inserted the SD card and updated the latest firmware. Now, let's take a quick look of how to use QooCam. QooCam has two status: 360 degrees and 3D 180 degree shooting mode, both of which can be controlled independently or via QooCam app. If you want to preview and adjust the camera settings, quick press the power button again to turn on Wi-Fi. Connect your phone with QooCam using Wi-Fi password 123456778. Once connected, you can enjoy the rich shooting modes and camera settings that provided on the QooCam app, such as photo, video, time-lapse, DNG8. Press the power button again. Wi-Fi will be turned off and you can use the camera independently. There's a record button on the other side of the camera for you to capture photo and video. Quick press to take a picture. Press and hold to record a video. The indicator light will start blink when the recording is on. The operations apply to both 360 and 3D 180 mode. Selfie Stick is a must accessory that can enable you to shoot in various angles. The stick can become invisible in 360-degree images only if you mount the camera vertically on it. Hold and tilt it to any angle you want. Or attach the tripod on the bottom to make the camera standing still. You can tilt the camera up in 3D 180 mode to film with two lenses facing to the front. The Bluetooth controller offers another option if you want to basically control the camera. Press and hold the power and record button together to start the Bluetooth pairing. During the pairing, the indicator light beside the record button will flash in turns. Then you can turn on the Bluetooth controller and wait for a beep sound that shows it has been paired. Then attach it on the selfie stick to start and stop recording. When filming is finished, press and hold the power button to turn the device off. Connect it with a USB cable to charge the battery. The red power light will turn off if the camera is sufficiently charged.